my channel. I'm so excited for today's recipe because while I used to live in Greece over the summers, I used to eat these little tarts and they are so delicious. I've never seen them here in the US before. They're little pastry shells filled with a custard and topped with this gelatin with little pieces of fruit inside. I wanted to try to reinvent them, the quick and easy version of course. Now let's get started. Okay, so to start these tarts, I'm gonna be first making the gelatin. For every packet of 1 tablespoon gelatin powder, I'm gonna be going ahead and adding 1 cup of boiling water. Mix all of that gelatin until it's dissolved, and feel free to do all of this in the microwave as well. Once the powder is fully dissolved, go ahead and add all of that sugar to sweeten this gelatin up. Dissolve the sugar into the hot water. Then to firm this up a little bit faster, I'm going to be going ahead and adding the second part of water, making sure that it's icy cold. Flavor this with any extract you please. Today we're going to be using a lemon extract to keep this a translucent color. This sweet lemon taste is very pleasant with the pudding mixture that we're going to be using today. These little silicone molds are the best. I bought them super cheap on Amazon. Check the link for other recipes I made using these in the description box below. Be sure this is on top of a sheet pan to make it easier to move around once they're filled. I'm going to be adding the fruit to the molds. This will also work in cupcake molds as well. Just be sure to use a nonstick spray to make the gelatin easier to remove from the pan. Now once all of that fruit you want is into the molds, go ahead and then carefully pour all of that Jello over the fruit. Now once these are all filled up, pop them into the refrigerator until they're fully firmed up. I recommend doing this the day before. Then while that's chilling, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my pudding mix. Follow the directions in the back of the pudding box. This is a white chocolate pudding mix that tastes exactly like a bakery style tart. With the combination of the sweet lemon and fruit, it's so heavenly delicious. Mix it up well, and this is gonna be added to these mini pie crusts. These are found in the baking section of your grocery store. Fill them all the way up to the rim. This could be done in a cake pan or a pie pan if you wanted to make one big tart, which slices up so beautifully. This full recipe is listed down below, don't forget. And these will be chilled as well, but this instant pudding does firm up in as little as 5 minutes. Once everything is ready to go, it's time to assemble these tarts. Simply slide them right out of the mold and place the fruit gelatin right on top of the pudding pie crust. Let me explain to you how wonderful these little pies are. The crust is so crispy with that smooth and creamy white chocolate pudding. Then you have that sweet lemony gel texture with the tiny pieces of juicy fruit. These are like nothing you've ever had before. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought about them. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on all of my unique recipes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.